Hello YouTube. I am extending my kids' play area. As you can see, it's kind of a mess right now, but they got a trampoline for Christmas, so I am going to extend this and get rid of this little garden patch that just grows tomatoes typically every year. But I'm going to be extending it 10 feet. It's a 14-foot trampoline, so that should give me plenty of room to move these playhouses out of the way and put the trampoline right where the playhouses are. I started drilling the holes for the 4x4s, but I only have a 6-inch auger, and it was going in really crooked. You probably can't see that, but it's going in crooked because this ground isn't flat, and I broke the shear bolt on that hole. So I got the Harbor Freight backhoe out, and I'm just going to dig the holes with that. It's got a 12-inch bucket. It does a real good job. I've been really happy with it. I haven't used it that much, but I did move right down there near the lake. I moved 24 tons of rock with it last year along the shoreline, and it never stopped, never struggled or anything. So the bucket is sized appropriately for it, so it will pick up anything basically you need to pick up with it. There's the post hole digger on the Kubota L3200. I put a new shear bolt in it, but I'm going to go with digging the holes versus drilling them because they weren't working out very well. So once I start digging with this, I will videotape some more. Okay, I'm back at it. I had to clean up the kids. They found some mud on the driveway and put some water on it and made it into a hell of a mess. So here's where I'm at so far. I have this hole started. I have this hole down to the pipe I found in the yard. So I'm gonna have to use the post hole digger beside it. But I'm getting somewhere, not very far, very fast. But I just had a lot of random stuff going on. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep going here, and I'll let you watch a little bit of it.
deep it is. It's up to my knee, so that's a good, I don't know, 15, 16 inches down. That'll be a good start for the hole where I'm going to put that, put the 4x4.